Okay. Today I will going to start the introduction of marketing management. Basically, in your marketing management, your whole topic has been divided in a 5 unit. Today I will cover the first unit, and I will teach you the what is marketing, evaluation of marketing, marketing framework, marketing in different sector, and functions of marketing. And in previous lecture you have covered the introduction of marketing management and what is the difference between marketing and selling. But I am just giving you the brief introduction about the marketing management. Basically, production, it is the introductory part. Production and marketing of goods and services are the essence of economic life in any society. All organizations perform these two basic functions to satisfy their commitments to their stakeholders, the owners, the customers, and the society at large. They create a benefit that economists call utility, which is the one satisfying power of a good or a services. The exchange of things, goods, these are known as the marketing. Selling, there is a difference between marketing and selling. Basically, sales, there is a 4 type of selling. First is a institutional sales, next one is a retail sale, third one is a digital, and fourth one is a corporate sale. In corporate sale, basically we prefer B2B marketing. Okay, but all these things, exchanging information, exchanging goods, exchanging services, and to exchanging this kind of things, how you manage the marketing and how you promote your products, this is the basically has been defined in marketing management. I will also define in a next slides interesting case study, and with the real life example you can learn lots of things. This how the marketing management works on. Okay, then comes to the topic that the evaluation of marketing. Evaluation of marketing is also known as the era of marketing. Era of marketing means history of marketing. Marketing is basically 5 types of era of the marketing. And the next point there, I will explain this in next one. The real marketing, what do you understand by the real marketing? Real marketing are those marketing which is actually implemented in a real world, which has been done, those management has been done, and we got a result. And after implementing those strategies of marketing, we make our customers satisfied, we make quality of product, we used lots of new things, and those things which is introduced in modern organization. So real marketing has been started from the 1964, that the dairy set up Anik Ghee. 1966, that was the Taj Mahal tea. In 1969, these history will make you more effective to get the basic understanding of the marketing management. In 1969, Rin Bar and Brew Coffee. 1971, Clinique shampoo. And basically you go through the most important thing, that 1975, that 10-year modernization plan. which word I have used in previously, that what is the modern organization. Basically, what marketing strategy you are adopting in your organization. Today in corporate culture, we are working on the modern organization. What we are studying in management, either PGDBM, either full-time MBA, either regular, either distance learning. But if you are studying in a management courses, then whatever you are studying related to the management, that is basically is the concept of the modern organization. Whatever you are adopting the strategy, which type of decision system, which type of modern organization, this all has been works on the modern organization. Modern organization are those organization which follow the basically three concepts. First one is the knowledge worker. What do you understand by the knowledge? Those people, they have the IT skills and they have their efficient knowledge, and they are using to implement, to achieving the goal of your organization, and they are using their skills. I am giving you just an example how the lack of knowledge worker can be lack of organization. How the knowledge of workers is directly proportional to the achieving the goal of your organization. You can see the example of Whirlpool company, because in 2000 they don't have the knowledge worker. In that time they were the leader of their market, but what happened? They don't have the knowledge worker. So the SCM, the supply chain management, has dropped down totally, because wrong product delivered right place, right product delivered wrong place. There was not even a communication and anything, because there were not knowledge workers. So the people of working, who they are working in the organization, they are effectively and efficiently using their knowledge to achieving the goal of your organization. The next thing, that is a ICT, that is known as the information communication technology. Your communication should be effective with the using of IT, because if you are talking about the modern organization, then in modern organization ICT plays a crucial role, a critical role to achieve goal of organization. Third thing, that is a global competitive environment. Here your marketing strategy is the most important thing which has been adopted by the top level management. How you are branding your product, how you are releasing your product, how you are selling your product, which type of strategy you are adopting to achieve the goal for your model. 10-year plan was there because 1974 the modern organization concept has came into the existence. So 1975 the whole marketing management has been introduced. Then 1978 Fair and Lovely, 19 Lipton Taja Tea, Surf Ultra, and recognized as a Star Trading, and then Hindustan Lever recognized as a Superstar Trading House. Why? Because Hindustan Unilever always research their markets, and they have several products, and there is a brand, and there is a quality of products, lots of things they are maintaining their organization. So people don't move to the Hindustan Unilever product towards to other. They have several brands: personal wash, hair care, color cosmetic, ice cream, coffee and foods. I think these things are make to able you understand what is the real marketing, what is the modern organization, and what is the strategy. And strategy means your mission, your vision, which type of strategy you are. Basically, strategy level planning always has been done by the top level management. Okay, you are hiring the knowledge workers or not. And what is the environmental framework. When you go through the target consumers, means आपके customers कौन से हैं, आपको उनके लिए किस तरीके का प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, और आपको अपने कस्टमर को किस तरीके से सेटिस्फाई करना है. दैट ऑल थिंग्स हैज केम इनटू द मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी. एंड if your company is not doing well, then what things you have to be adopt to do make better. Okay, then marketing mix का मतलब होता है you are doing good thing with the help of lots of huge amount of money you are spending to make a brand value, to make advertisement and all these things. Then come to the main topic, that is that these are the concept of the basic concepts of the marketing management, and it is directly proportional to the marketing strategy and how it has came into the industry slowly, and how the modern organization has been planned for 10-year marketing strategy. Evaluation of marketing. Basically, evaluation of marketing has been 4 types. First is a production era, where the goal was to make the product affordable and available to the buyers. Product era, where you are maintaining the quality of the product. You are hiring the quality engineer, you are maintaining the quality of, because if your product quality is not good, then ultimately promotion and advertisement cannot work. Sometimes it works, but if you are not maintaining the quality product, then it cannot be successful. Sales era means you are just giving the demo things and all these things. Sales era means you are just pursuing your buyers, you are just wooing your buyers. Basically marketing strategy में हम क्या करते हैं, we are just wooing our buyers, we are just insisting our buyers to purchase our product. Okay, then marketing era, here the main focus is on the customer satisfaction. There was a number of things has been done in modern organization like CRM, ERP, SCM, and the main thing feedback and all these things that has been done for the customer satisfaction. According to the requirement and need of the customer, we are just maintaining the products and all these things. Okay, then case study, how they have adopted the marketing strategy, and after the adopting the effective marketing strategy, they celebrate the big billion day. This case study will tells you lots about the marketing strategy. Okay, so we will discuss this particular case study in the next class, and for the today session has been over for the evaluation of the marketing. Okay, so thank you very much.